Hey, what's going on YouTube? Antonio here. So we have a 2009 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor package, one owner out of the county of Riverside with about 99,000 miles that is now ready to be sold. So I wanted to give you a quick walk around on the vehicle. If you have any further questions, please feel free to give me a call at 909-457-5500, or you could visit our website and see all of our other vehicles that we have listed and available at www.carsmart-automotive.com. Okay guys, so let me show it to you. Okay, so what we have is a 2011 Ford Interceptor police package. Obviously it's a Crown Victoria. We have 235 55 17 on the tires. We are using the well, not using, but this vehicle is equipped with the Goodyear Eagle RSA tires all the way around. Okay, we got about 80% thread life remaining on all of them. Okay, the spotlights do work on the vehicle. Okay, let me keep showing you. I'll first show you the exterior, and then I'll go ahead and walk you in the interior of the vehicle. Okay. The antenna holes that were here are now covered, so they do have the caps. Okay, so now let me go ahead and show you the interior. So you do have your trunk button there, fully functional. You have your spotlight that is functional. This vehicle is not equipped with any radio, so you are more than welcome to install your own aftermarket radio. AC is super cold. Okay, and that is the driver's side or driver's door. Let me go ahead and show you the rear passenger. Okay, so this vehicle was from the county of Riverside Sheriff's Department. Prisoner seats in the back, seat belts fully operational, okay, and tested. Okay. Holes on the roof have been covered. This vehicle is a flex fuel vehicle. Okay, let me go ahead and pop the trunk for you. 1 second. Okay, here's your trunk. You have a police trunk pack. Okay, you have this option here mounted. It does come out. Okay. All reverse lights, brake lights, plate lights, license plates, lights do work. Let me go ahead and close this up. Okay. Now let me show you the other side. vehicle is on, so you can actually hear the engine. So this vehicle has about 99,595 on the miles, and it has about 5,496 idle hours. Now let me show you the engine for the motor. There is your engine. As far as engines, we do not, and I mean do not, wash these engines. We don't want to hurt the car, so we just like to leave them as normal as possible. Okay, so there is your engine. The vehicle is on. It's been on for about 5 minutes now on idle. Okay, let's go and close this out. Okay, so the vehicle is fully smogged and ready for new registration. This vehicle will be for sale for the price of $7,995 plus tax and license. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call, 909-457-5500. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we would appreciate a like and a subscribe if you found this video entertaining. Thank you, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.